Hello everyone and welcome to the board. Today's problem is small but MindGears. 6 times 10% plus 20% divided by 3. Your option A, 1, B, 1.5, and C, 2/3. Some people solve it this way. Just use left to right rules. 6 times 10% is 60%. Then 60% plus 20% equals 80%. And then 80% divided by 3. Stop, don't continue. This path is already wrong. And some other people solve it like this because 10% plus 20% looks simpler, equals 30%, and then 6 times 30% divided by 3 becomes 6 times 10% equals 60%. Looks clean, but you know this is also wrong. And notice, neither result appears in the option. That is your hint, something went wrong. To solve this, you have to know the order of the operations rule in math. In this video, we use the PEMDAS rule. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, equal rank, left to right, addition and subtraction. In our problem, no parentheses, no exponents. So multiplication and division go first, left to right. The addition waits until the end. Now the right way. Take a look at the options. They are fractions. So first we speak fractions. 10% is 1/10. 20% is 1/5. The problem becomes 6 times 1/10 plus 1/5 divided by 3. Multiplication first. 6 times 1/10 is 6/10. We can reduce it to 3/5. And division 1/5 divided by 3 is 1/15. Now the addition. 3/5 plus 1/15. Same denominator. 9/15 plus 1/15. Equals 10/15. And simplify, it becomes 2/3. So the answer is C. Your turn. 2 times 30% plus 40% divided by 2. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next one.